Good morning, children. In this lesson, we will learn about Roman numerals. The numbers that we usually write like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are numbers of Hindu Arabic. Romans used a different system of writing numbers, and that is known as Roman numerals. To write Roman numbers, they used to use some symbols from English alphabets. The basic symbols used for writing Roman numbers are I was used to write 1, V was used for writing 5, X was used to symbolize 10, L was used for writing 50, C means century, was used as a symbol to write 100, D symbolized 500, and M, which means millennium, was used to write or symbolize 1000. These are the basic symbols that the Romans used to use to write all the other numbers. They used to follow certain rules to write the other Roman numbers. Let us learn about those rules and let us learn how to write the other Roman numbers. The rules that the Romans used to follow are the symbols which symbolized number with 1 and 0, they could be repeated. These symbols could be repeated to a maximum of 3 times. And the symbols which represented numbers with 5, they could not be repeated. So, V, L and D could not be repeated. In class 4, you all have already learned how to write symbols from 1 to 39. For example, for writing 1, you will have to use I once. To write 2, we use I twice. For 3, we use it 3 times. Now you cannot use or you cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. So to write 4, what do? We have to take away 1 from 5. V means 5, I means 1. Taking away means writing I before V. So 5 minus 1 gives you 4. For writing 5, you simply write V. For writing 6, you add 1 to 5. That is, you write V and then you write I. 7 is 5 plus 2. 8 is 5 plus 3. Now, when you are writing 9, you cannot repeat 1 more than 3 times. So, how will you write 9? You will have to take away 1 from 10. This is how you write 9. For 10, you will just simply write X. When you will be writing 20, you will have to repeat X twice. For writing 30, you will have to repeat X thrice. Now, when you are writing 40, again, you cannot write X 4 times. So, what will you have to do? You will have to take away 10 from 50. So, 50 means L. Taking away 10 means writing X before L. That makes 40. For writing 50, you simply write L. 60 means 50 plus 10, that means LX. 70 LXX. 80 LXXX. For writing 90, you cannot write L and then 4X because you cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. So you will have to take away 10 from 100. 100 is C. Taking away 10 from it means writing X before C. 100 means simply you write a C. When you are writing 200, you will have to repeat C 2 times. For writing 300, repeat C 3 times. When you are writing 400, you will have to take away 100 from 500. 500 is D. Taking away 100 from it means writing C before D. And for 500, you just write a D. Hope you all have understood how to write down the symbols for in Roman numerals. Now suppose you have been given a sum where you need to write down a number in Roman numeral when it is given in Hindu Arabic. How will you do that? See, the number given is 186. How do you write 100? By simply writing a C. How do you write 80? It is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. And how do you write 6? VI. So this is how you write 186. If you have been asked to write 498, first you'll have to write 400. How will you write 400? It is 100 taken away from 500. Then 90, how will you write 90? It is X, C, and how do you write 8? V, I. Now suppose you have been given a sum in which it has been asked to write in Hindu Arabic. They have given you in Roman numeral and you are to write in Hindu Arabic. Now look at this number. C means 100. XL, what does that means? 10 taken away from 50. That means it is 40. And what is this? 8. So it is 148. Come to the next one. C means 100. Okay. XC, what does that implies? It means 10 taken away from 100. That is 90. And this is 4. So it is 194. Now suppose they ask you to do an operation with the Roman numeral. I would suggest you to convert these Roman numbers to Hindu Arabic first. What is this? This is 42. So you write down 42 plus, what is this? 10, 10, 20 and 9. That means it is 29. Now add these two numbers. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 is carried. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. The answer is 71. Now convert it into Roman numeral. How will you write 70? 50 plus 10 plus 10, 70, and 1 means I. So this is your answer. I hope the lesson is clear to you all. Thank you.